Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarti. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the skincare that did not work for me in 2020 or how I evolved, and I've also made a bunch of videos on the same topic. I have actually made the best of makeup, worst of makeup, and also best of skincare. I will leave it in the cards and in the description box, the playlist. You guys can go check it out. I know this video is going to be a little long and a little more informative because I've learned so much in 2020. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. The first thing in 2020 that I've learned is a lot about skincare, and because of this I want to give all the credit to Skincare by Haram. If you guys do not watch him, go watch him. He's one of the best skincare experts that I have found online, and it's really he actually opens your eye up in so many things. So the first things after seeing his videos and understanding and doing my own research after it, the first thing that I've learned is not to use anything that has a fragrance on my face. At least on my body, yes, it's still it is a much more thicker, but on my face at least I do not want to use any fragrance. So I had to cut out on a lot of fragrance products. Coming with the first and the most important and the favorite of mine is the Nivea Soft. This has so much fragrance in it. Oh my god, it's filled with fragrance, and I do not know how bad fragrance is to my body or to my face specifically. So I had to stop using this. This is my all-time favorite. I've been using this for years and years and years, and I know this because I love this so much. And Nivea, we've all grown up using Nivea. So I removed all the fragrance moisturizers, at least for my face. And the other one that I removed is actually Himalaya Herbal's Clear Complexion Whitening Day Cream. This has more of an Ayurvedic fragrance. The only reason I removed these two is because they had fragrance in mine, and I've switched my skincare to much more no fragrance or less fragrance. So these are two products that I've removed only because of fragrance and nothing else. But yeah, those are the two products that I don't use anymore. The other thing that I don't use are physical exfoliators or even clay masks for this matter. Now during winter season I don't use clay masks, but on a summer season I do use a clay mask. During winter season it kind of tends to dry up my skin much more, so I don't use this during winters, but during summers definitely I will use this. But coming to physical exfoliators like the apricot scrubs and all of that, I don't use them anymore. I do have them lying around, so I use them on my body just to give a good exfoliation, but not on my face, because on my face it kind of gives micro tears that I don't want to do it, and I did not know these before. So I've learned and I've evolved, and I hope this helps you guys as well. Another product that I don't use anymore are makeup remover wipes. I do have them, however, but these are the only things that I use to remove makeup or swatches or something like that. I don't use them on my face, and I tend to use one for a really long time before throwing it away. But I don't use them because A, they kind of dry out my skin. B, they are not good for the environment, so I don't use them anymore. However, I do want to try not to not to do too much, and yeah, I don't use makeup removers at all. So I'm going to complete this and then stop buying them most probably, but I do mind needing for swatches and removing them. But however, I will try finding an alternative, but that's my problem, not yours. But I don't use makeup removers anymore. I used to go through them so much, but now I don't. Another product that I don't use anymore is actually the micellar water. Now I don't use this because I like to use the cleansing oils. I like using any kind of cleansing oils except the makeup wipes. I don't like to use this anymore because when I am removing, it's personally my choice, because when I'm removing it I kind of feel like I'm tugging on it, so I don't like it. So I don't use them anymore. The only they're just lying around in my house and I don't know how to complete it. I have to find a solution to complete this, but yeah, I don't use micellar waters anymore. Another product that I don't use anymore is actually, and something that I feel like has no use for, are actually hand creams. Now these hand creams, they smell really good. This is their Innisfree. This is from Innisfree. This is their wild berry hand cream. This is really good. It smells really good, but at the same time, the reason I stopped using these is because I used to be excessively obsessed, and I'm still obsessed. I still use them, but I am trying myself not to use them because they have fragrance in it, and the minute I apply something on my hands, the next thing I know, I'm gonna touch my face, so I'm a little skeptical about it. However, once I'm done with this, I don't think I'll be using any more hand creams. But those are all the things that I have, those that did not work for me and my skincare. I hope you guys actually learned a little from this video. It's a very small video, I know that, but these are the only changes that I could make in skincare, at least now. Maybe next year I'll be making much more development. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.